Good morning, everyone, and thank you for taking time out of your day to listen to our webinar. Our webinar today will be from Huawei Telepresence and Video Conferencing, and our presenter is going to be with the Huawei Enterprise Marketing and Solution Department. She's a Unified Communication and Collaboration Product Manager, and that's going to be Helen Sun. Helen, take it away.
Thank you for having me today. Let's begin. So today I'm very appreciated to having this opportunity to introduce Huawei Video Conferencing and Telepresence solution to you. So before the introduction, I would like to say something about Huawei Unified Communication and the Collaboration product line. Basically, we have three sub-product lines under UCNC. They are Video Conferencing product line, Unified Communication product line, and the Intelligent Video Surveillance product line. So this year, we will focus on the video conferencing product selling through channels. So in today's training, we will focus on the video conferencing product introduction. So in today's training, here are three parts. First, I will give you the overview introduction for video conferencing and telepresence product line. Secondly, I will introduce the product features separately. And last, I will share some typical solution in terms of different customer using scenario. So let's begin from the first part. So Huawei has a very long history in video conferencing and telepresence development. So as you can find out from those milestones, we started research and development in video industry in 1993. Now we have almost 20 years experience in this field. In 2007, with the development of H.264 and IP network, Huawei released the new MCU endpoint and endpoints product, which provide a high definition end-to-end solution. And in 2009, Huawei released the Immersive Telepresence product, which is totally developed by ourselves. In 2010, Huawei released the next generation telepresence product, and Huawei is the first vendor who can provide the 1080p 60 FPS end-to-end solution in the whole world. In 2012, Huawei released the world's first seamless Panoramic Telepresence product to provide the best video effect to the end user. Until now, the whole video conferencing sales revenue is number 3 in global video market, and the telepresence product sales revenue ranked to number 2 in global telepresence market. And the total shipment is more than 150,000 sets, including more than 5,000 units of telepresence product worldwide. Okay, let's go to the next page. So Huawei is continuing investing in video conferencing technologies, and our goal is to provide better and better video and audio experience to the end user. Huawei has more than 600 engineers who are dedicated working for video product R&D team. We are not only the reporter, but also the editor for many famous organizations such as MPEG, 3GPP, ITU, and so on. Huawei was granted over 200 patents among the over 600 applied patents. We also won a lot of awards globally, like Growth Leadership in Video Communication by Frost & Sullivan in 2012. Next, let's take a look at the whole product portfolio. Basically, the whole product portfolio can be divided into 3 parts. On the first row, it's a high-end telepresence endpoint solutions. Huawei can provide the 3-screen immersive telepresence endpoints, including 1-row table and 2-row table solutions. We can also provide the single-screen immersive telepresence endpoints products. At the same time, we can provide the Room Present series single-screen and dual-screen RP integration endpoints product. Those products are very suitable for the high-end, dedicated, middle, and large-size meeting room to choose. The second row is video conferencing endpoints. Huawei can provide more than 7 types of HD endpoints based on the performance. You know, one trend for the video communication is flexibility. Huawei has released a total new endpoints called T30, which is very easy to install or move. This endpoints is all-in-one design, which including all the components like camera, microphone. What the customer only needs to do is to plug in the power and HDMI cable to the screen, and the whole meeting room is set up in 5 minutes. There are some unique features I will introduce later. Next endpoint is VP9050, which is suitable for the customer to deploy on the office desk for personal use. Huawei can also provide our own brand camera and microphone accessories. The last category is the infrastructure platform product. Huawei will release the new universal trans-coding MCU products VP9660, VP9650, and VP9630, which support the latest H.264, high-profile, and SVC technologies. Huawei also can provide MC 2.0 management platform, which provide the advanced management function for the whole system and the third-party UC integration function. So that's the whole picture of Huawei video conferencing product. Okay, next let's go to the next part, product feature introduction. In this part, we will talk about each product separately in details. Okay, the first product I would like to introduce is Huawei latest Panoramic Telepresence-TP3206. This is the world's first seamless telepresence endpoints product. The gap between the two screens is only 5.5 mm, which provides the perfect stitching image to make you feel just like the whole 3 screens image is one continuous picture. Another feature of this product is that not only it can be used as a telepresence endpoint when having a remote meeting, but also it can be used in a local meeting for 10 people in the same meeting room in order to take full advantage to the telepresence meeting room. The video resolution can reach up to 1080p 60 fps. Even Cisco cannot reach such high resolution right now. The whole system is controlled by a 10-inch pad, and the control software can be downloaded from the web. The user interface is very friendly and easy to use. Another feature is the 55-inch LCD screen, which will save 1/3 of the power consumption and the footprint for the customer. So as you can find from these pictures, the video experience is improved by using the seamless staging technologies. Other vendors use the physical image staging rather than software staging, resulting in a wider screen bezel, making the panoramic image impossible. Actually, Huawei adopts the co-optical center seamless image and the image stitching technology. The screen bezel is narrowed down to 5.5 mm, which takes the lead in the industry. Okay, next let's go to the traditional immersive telepresence product introduction. I think maybe you have known such kind of product or experienced that before. Actually, this type of immersive telepresence product is positioned as the high-end market solution. Huawei can provide the 3-screen, 1-rotatable or 2-rotatable telepresence products, which are designed for 6 people, 14 people, or 18 people to join the meeting in one dedicated meeting room. The resolution can reach up to 1080p 60 fps. The content sharing is displayed by 3 rotatable screens embedded in the table. The content sharing experience is much better than the solution of other vendors, which put the content sharing screen below the 3 screen in the front. For the control mode, it also uses the 10-inch touch panel to control the whole system. Those are 3-screen telepresence solutions. Okay, next let's go to the TP1102 single-screen immersive telepresence solutions. So Huawei can provide the single-screen immersive telepresence, which is designed for 2 to 4 participants to join in one meeting room. We have 55-inch and 65-inch screen size and black or white color option for the customer to choose. This product is designed for by front maintenance mode, which is very easy to maintain for the IT engineer. The customer can push the telepresence to the wall and do not need to leave any space at the back of it, and the engineer can open the cover in the front to do the maintenance, which saves the footprint for the customer and easy for them to do the maintenance. The whole system is controlled by the iPad or Android Pad as well. Okay, next product is the Huawei Multifunction Telepresence, RP series products. This product is designed by the integration mode. Huawei can provide a single screen and dual screen RP series product. The screen size can be 40-inch, 46-inch, and 55-inch. The resolution can reach to 1080p 30 fps. The installation mode is very flexible. The customer can choose fixed stand mode, fixed stand with wheel mode, and wall-mounted mode. And there are 2 control options. One is the remote controller and the other is the pad control mode. Huawei positioned this product as economic integration telepresence solution. The pricing is very competitive. This product is especially suitable for the customer who has no enough budget to deploy the immersive telepresence solutions. Many customers think such kind of products is the best solution for them to choose, and RP series is also the best-selling product in the whole Huawei product portfolio. Okay, next, let's go to the video conferencing endpoints product. Huawei can provide the more than 7 types of endpoints package to the US market. As you can see from the picture, we can provide the entry-level, mainstream level, performance level endpoints, and embedded MCU endpoints. The customer can choose different types based on the different using scenario and their budget. The endpoints performance are different based on different bandwidths, video and audio access interface. All the endpoints can upgrade from 720p to 1080p or to support the embedded MCU function by software license upgrade. The customer can choose the display and soundbox system, whatever they would like to choose according to their meeting room's current situation. Sometimes it is one of the key components in the multimedia conference room project. The key issue we need to concern about this is that the video and audio access interface type and the control mode. For example, whether or not these endpoints need to be integrated with the central control system. Some kind of things are usually to be mentioned when we communicate with the customers. Okay, next product is VP9050 Desktop Endpoints, which is suitable for the personal use. The main player like Cisco and Polycom also can provide such kind of products. Comparing with those other vendors' personal endpoint solution, the unique feature for this product is the touch screen. The end user can touch the screen to control it, which is very easy to use. Only Huawei can provide this control mode in the video industry. It also supports the embedded MCU function by software upgrade. The screen size is 21.5 inch. It also can be used as a monitor when there's no video conferencing needed. Okay, next let's go to the Micro Telepresence-TP3206 products. So we just released this product in this April. This product is tailored especially for the SMB market. As you can see, this product is very simple and integrated. It supports H323 and SIP. It supports the 1080p 30 resolution. Huawei developed this product by choosing the high-performance chip, which support cutting-edge H.264 high-profile and I3C technology. Really, on those technologies, the bandwidth consumption can be lowered to 512K to reach 1080p 30 fps effect. And the network adaptability can reach up to 20% packet loss tolerance capability. It also supports the Wi-Fi access capability to allow the flexible deployment. The performance got the tremendous improved comparing with other endpoints in the market. So here I will show you how T30 reduced the CTO for the customer. So really on those unique features, for instance, installation is pretty simple. It only needs 1 person 5 minutes to set it up. The only things need you to do is to set to put the T30 on the top of the screen and connect the HDMI cable between the T30 and the screen, and plug in the power and turn on the T30. That's it. Even the initial configuration can be copied in a USB flash disk. The customer can import those information into T30 to finish the configuration. Another example, it supports the voice dialing function. The system supports voice recognition technology and allows the customer to speak the remote site's name, which is defined in T30 in advance, and the endpoints will dial to that site automatically. Thanks to all-in-one integration design, it lowers the trouble spot and easy to maintain for the end user. Actually, we have got some sample equipment right now, and if you are interested in this product or have the suitable project opportunities, you can ask for some sample equipment for testing through our channel managers. Okay, next, mobility is the key feature in video communication industry nowadays. Huawei can provide the VC100 software client for the iPad, iPhone, and Android Pie. This software client can be downloaded on the website. It is Huawei OEM software client product. We will release our own software client product in the future. When the customer decided to purchase the VC100 software clients for mobile devices, we need to add one safe server for VC100 to register in the network diagram. Safe server and gatekeeper will register between each other as the neighbor gatekeeper so as to connect the VC100 to the video conferencing system. Okay, next let's go to the MCU introduction. Huawei can provide a series universal transcoding MCU products. Huawei VP9660, VP9650, and VP9630 are new MCU products which choose the new chipset and architecture design. The performance is much better than before. All the MCUs support flexible scalability by software license or hardware upgrade. It can be used by all industry almost, including small and medium-sized enterprise and video conferencing service provider. The main difference among those MCUs are capacities. Actually, Huawei MCU has a lot of features like powerful performance, large capacity, open and integrated, security, and reliability. So here I don't want to mention much detail about MCU highlights. So if you are very interested about our MCU products, you can get more details after the training. Okay, next. Let's go to the SMC 2.0 management platform. The basic function for SMC 2.0 is the centralized management for the meeting, including the meeting schedule and management as well as the equipment management function. It supports the different level authorization management, the user level, a meeting admin level, and the system admin level. Normally, the basic function can be supported by MCU as well. The specific function for the SMC 2.0 is the integration with third-party UC system and OE system to allow the customer to have a collaboration meeting and schedule the meeting through the Outlook Exchange. So actually that's all for today's product introduction. And next, I will introduce some feature. As you know, US video market is very mature, and most of the customers have deployed the video conferencing network system. So the interoperability is very important for us to enter into such kind of market. Huawei developed the video product based on the open architecture and standard protocol. So we have no problem to connect with the customer legacy video conferencing network like Cisco, Tandberg, Polycom, Lexus. Furthermore, with the help of SMC 2.0, Huawei's video system can integrate with third-party UC systems like Microsoft Link, IBM SyncTime, and Huawei eSpace, even Skype. It also supports to integrate with OA system to allow the customer to schedule the meetings through the Outlook. And it supports API interface to allow the customized development according to their specific requirements. Those are very important features for us when we are going to sell the video product in US. Okay, next. Another feature I would like to mention here is the bandwidth consumption. Some customers are very concerned about the video conferencing network bandwidth consumption. Huawei adopts the patent VEM, means video motion enhancement, and high-profile technology to save the bandwidth up to 50%. So by using the optimized H.264 core algorithm, the minimum bandwidth consumption is only 512K for 720p and 1 meg for 1080p resolution for the traditional Huawei video conferencing products. And thanks for these features, it effectively improved the CapEx and OpEx for the customer. And for Huawei new products, T30 and our new MCU products, we only need 512K for 1080p resolution. That's fantastic. Okay, next features. SEC 2.0. Actually, almost all the video conferencing networks are running on the IP network, but IP network cannot avoid the QoS issue such as delay, packet loss, jitter, which will cause the bad video and audio effect when the video conferencing are running on the poor network environment. Huawei adopts the industry-leading anti-packet loss SEC 2.0 patent technology. The video rate can be adjusted automatically based on the network status detection to ensure the best audio and video transmission quality. With the help of SEC 2.0 and the new high-performance chipset adoption, Huawei new MCU and T30 endpoints can reach up to 10% packet loss tolerance capability for the video conferencing and 20% for the audio conferencing. That's amazing, especially for those video conferencing systems running on the internet in SMB market. Okay, let's go to the next feature. Next feature is the friendly user interface. All Huawei endpoints can be controlled by Android Pie or iPad. The customer can either choose the remote controller or choose the pad to operate the endpoints, including the set status check, join conference by one touch, set call. Set call here means you can operate the meeting and set up the meeting and control the other endpoints by using the endpoints itself. So actually, Huawei's endpoint has very powerful control functions comparing with other vendors. And you can also use one touch to power on or power off the whole telepresence system. So that is very easy to use for the customer. Okay, next is the flexible ports feature. So as you can see, Huawei's MCU product can assign the access interface resources very flexible and dynamic. So as you can see, if the customer chooses a VP9638 port products, so that means you can allow the system allow the 8 ports at 1080p 30 fps to access, or allow the 16 site at 720p to access, or allow the 4 site at 1080p 30 fps to join, or and 8 site at 720p to join. So this is very flexible for the customer to assign the system resources. Okay, next, let's go to the multi-conference scheduling option features. So Huawei provides the flexible conference schedule mode, such as through the SMC management platform, through VIBE, through the universal access number, ad hoc, and video IVR. So the customer can choose the different scheduling mode to set up meetings smoothly. Okay, next feature is the 3-level encryption. In order to ensure the video conferencing running safely, Huawei Video System supports 3-level encryption function, including the signaling stream encryption, media stream encryption, as well as line transmission encryption. So besides that, Huawei also supports a third-party encryption box as a line encryption method. Okay, next. Huawei MCU supports up to 6-level hot spare mechanism to make sure the system operations stable without any interruption. For Huawei VP9660, Huawei most powerful MCU products support MCU N+1 backup. That means in the system there's several MCU equipment, and we can deploy one MCU as the backup MCU, and one MCU crackdown, and the backup MCU will replace the previous MCU and make sure the system can run without any interruption. And also we support the power module backup, central control board backup, media board backup, and chip backup, network interface backup. For Huawei Video 9650 and Huawei Video VP9630, both of these support most of the backup design except for the board level backup. Okay, next let's go to the last part. So Huawei Video Conferencing and Telepresence Solution Introduction. Here I would like to introduce some typical solutions in terms of different using scenario. So first, basically there are 3 typical solutions for the video conferencing products. For the SMB market, what's the customer most concerned is the cost and the flexibility. Huawei suggests the cost-effective solution by choosing the VP9630 or embedded MCU endpoints as the central exchange equipment. Those MCU products are easy to deploy and can be connected to the various endpoints in universal transcoding mode, no matter what the bandwidth or what the video and audio protocol the endpoints choose. So this is very flexible and cost-effective. Next, for the large and medium-sized corporation, Huawei suggests to deploy VP9660 and VP9650 large capacity MCU in the headquarters and the important branches by cascading. Then using the Huawei SMC 2.0 as management platform to do the centralized management for the whole system. So this network architecture supports multi-level cascading and enable the intelligent access to various endpoints. And it has very good interoperability with the customer legacy video conferencing network, which achieves seamless, high-efficient convergence for the for an enterprise office system. Okay, the last typical using scenario is the integrated conference. So Huawei video conference system built with Huawei VP9050 series and SNC 2.0 convergence with unified communication system such as Microsoft Lync, Huawei Space, IBM SimTime, and Skype. For the large corporation, when the customer are going to upgrade the legacy video conferencing system, they are looking for a convergent solution and allow them to have a collaboration meeting to improve the productivity and protect the customer previous investment. We talk about this solution to a lot of customers, and that's the trend for the medium size or large size customer to build up a collaboration system. So normally for such kind of scenario, the project sales volume is bigger than the SMB project, but it is much more difficult to win comparing with the SMB project. Okay, so that's all for today's introduction. Those technical introductions are very basic knowledge about Huawei video products. If you have any question or want to know more about our products in the future, you can contact Huawei Channel Sales Manager or contact with me directly to get support. Thank you so much for today.
Thank you, Helen, for that wonderful presentation. I'm sure everybody's far more enlightened now on our UCC product line. Thank you all for attending today's webinar, and we will look for you in the future when we have additional events. Thank you again.